Hey all you YouTube fans, this is Paris Brown. I have the maytag, dependable care, stainless steel, and the cycle signal instruments. You have the options here, I think they're big. Temperature, cold, cool, warm, hot, auto temperature control, all cold ranges, word level, extra small, small, medium, large, super, plus, maytag. You gotta have it. Real quiet washer, really doesn't go in the clothes. If you open up the lid, all the instructions, liquid chlorine bleach, stainless steel tub with the agitator. Yeah, I had to keep it good. Then we have the dryer. The dryer is a maytag also. Push the start and the cycle signal. We always keep it off. Temperature, fabric, low, medium, and high. We have the time dry, air fluff, auto dry, energy preferred, lint filter. No, we had to keep it big, I'm not saying it's thick. We open up the dryer. It's white tub, all the information. Trying to make the washer wash with the lid open, but it can't because I don't know how to activate the lid switch. So if anybody knows how to do that, feel free to leave a comment on how to do it. But it works pretty good. I'm gonna upload this. Made this video on the made this video on the 19th December 2010. So feel free, comment me. Thanks. Bye.